Hello, this is the second day I'm trying to learn audio programming. Yesterday I installed C-Line. Let's see if it's there. This is the first time I'm opening it. It's very slow, that I don't like. I think I'll switch to VS Code eventually. And let's see. Why did I choose C-Line? If you didn't watch last video, because I found people suggesting it on Reddit. So let's see why it's taking too long to start. Okay, so let's watch. Of course, what is this? Is this the same thing? No, cancel. Okay, we have precursor. We have it's producer, not precursor. I've worked on this for some time on Linux, but it's different environment. So let's see, where did we put this thing? Downloads, I think, and audio programming. Here is our stuff. Let's take this on to the desktop or just leave it here. So here is Juice for Windows 8.8. Great. So let's open Producer. Two has security warnings. What is this? Okay, make changes, whatever. JetBrains user agreement. This is a legal agreement by clicking I agree. Okay. Introduction, definitions. So a lot of stuff. I don't care. Let's go. Don't send, no thanks. Here we are. We have the C line and we have our producer. Continue with the free non-commercial use. Log in. Okay, let's log in. Current version of C line is already installed. Do you wish to continue? Yes. What? No. Okay, import settings. I have cursor and I have Visual Studio Code. Let's import from Visual Studio Code UI theme, key maps. I don't have anything in. I don't need plugins. Key maps. Okay. I don't need recent projects. I'll use the theme and key map. I don't think I would even use the theme. I need to see what the C-Line theme looks like. Let's import. Okay, here we are. We are in C-Line. So I will open a course and see what we can build. We need to make a hello world or something simple with this. So yesterday I opened this video, but I found out that the same person here, he has a newer video that I watched some of it, but I don't seem like I like him. He doesn't explain stuff, but I can Google it. He shows stuff and I can Google them. I found a course, yeah, this one. It's 1 month ago. So in this part he created audio plugin with producer. And how did he create it? Okay, I Visual Studio 2022. I don't have that. So he's using Xcode, and the option in producers for compilers are Visual Studio 2022 and Visual Studio 2019 and Xcode. So I'm not sure how to work with C-Line and producer. But anyways, let's create a basic plugin like he did. Create a project. And uh, let's call it what, like juice project, juice demo. Okay, let's make juice demo. The path to juice folder is incorrect. Why not? It's C juice. No, it's not C juice. It's downloads, audio programming, juice, and this as well is the same. Modules, user modules. I have no idea. VST, SDK. I don't have VST. So what VST, ARAX SDK. I think VST, as how much I understand, is that thing. It's like an extension. It's like when you make plugins, It's like MP4 and this stuff, an extension for your plugin. So when you make it VST, I think VST is the most supported as far as I understand, but here it says legacy. So I'm not sure. I wouldn't care. So yes, warn me if okay everything is correct. We have our thing here. This is asking to use Visual Studio. Oh, let's see how to use Juice with Producer with CLion. It seems that CMake approach is more and more popular nowadays. I doubt that adding more exporters. So CMake, so he will use CMake. I'm not sure how to use that. Exporters, I would use CMake. I'm not sure. New project. Let's call this project like Juice Hello Wallet version 1. Line feed. I have no idea. Company name, whatever, whatever. Project type, audio plugin, GUI application. I think I'll go with GUI app, but I'll leave it as it is. VS23. This is what I'm talking about. I have no idea. I didn't say anything about it. Okay. What I want here is to learn how to use it with CLion during our whole team switched to CLion, but we are using it with native CMake support added to Juice since version 6. This means no more producer, but directly creating projects via plain CMake. So this is what I was talking about in the last video. I'm using NeoVim as my default IDE and text editor in my Linux setup, but I wanted to use what people are using to understand stuff. So if you want to if I want to I found out that if I want to use CMake with Juice, I will need to understand all these options because I'll be adding them manually via code. What happened? Why is modules empty? Just a +1 for CLion and Juice via CMake. So it's saying that I should use CMake with Juice, but I do not want to confuse myself. I want to get started with something. Should I install Visual Studio? I can give it a try. I mean, if it's too large, I would not download Visual Studio. Keep downloading stuff. Oh, it's tiny. What is this? It's this an installer? Before you get started, you need to set up few things so that okay, 31 megabytes. It's getting the Visual Studio installer ready. Okay, take your time. Let's watch this video.
Visual Studio is packed with tools so you can complete the entire development cycle from initial design to final deployment.
So I will close CLion for now. I might use it later. I will use Visual Studio for the first time.
Alright, let's add.
So about this course, he adds these stuff and he doesn't explain anything. What is DSP? So here it says adding some basic DSP. I have no idea what this DSP means. I have no idea what Juice modules are. So this course sucks because of this. He doesn't explain stuff, and he seemed like he understands what he's doing, but I'm not sure. So let's take a look at what is DSP.
Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at DSP. What is it and why do you want it? Well, DSP is digital.
So what is DSP? This is the question. I asked ChatGPT. It says it's the digital signing signal processing. The Juice DSP module is Juice's dedicated framework. What is a module? What is a module? Is it like a library? Is it like an extension? Overview of Juice DSP. It's a dedicated framework for building efficient, high quality. So it is designed to be real-time, safe, modular, efficient, suitable. I have no idea what this means. Can you explain it? This means analyzing, transforming. I'd watch a video. I'd rather watch a video explaining it. So I think DSP is everything. It's the sound goes through DSP. It's like the CPU of the thing. It makes everything. That's as far as I know. Let's Google it. What is DSP? Yeah, see? It's the digital signal processing. So here's the thing. It takes real world signals like voice, audio, video, and it digitalizes it, and it's mathematically manipulating them. DSP is designed for performing mathematical functions like add, subtract, multiply, divide very quickly. So it's everything about audio programming. So look at this picture here. This here is the recording, ADC, whatever ADC is, and goes through DSP into the memory, and then memory take it. I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what this is, but the main idea is this DSP is everything. It's where I put my plugins, my everything in my application. So let's take a look at the. Okay, we have Visual Studio installed. It's asking about web and cloud. Python development, no thanks, Node.js. I don't need any of these. I just need desktop development with C++ and mobile development with C++. Yes. Oh my god, 10 gigabytes. No, I don't need this. 1 gigabyte. What about this? 10 gigabyte again. That I don't have. What about if I just modern C++ for Windows, CLang, CMake? I have all of these. Why does it need to install them again? So let's delete some stuff from my C drive. I have this cool tool here that scans for space and sees what is taking space in my C drive, in whatever drive it is. I mean, Linux in GNOME, it has it like without any external software. Our users is full. What is taking place in users? It's here in my user and in app data, local, Brave software, default, service workers. You know what? I will just remove this. I don't know why it is taking so much space. Hey, let's take a look at why Brave is taking so much space. Don't want to delete my browsing history. I'll delete cached images and files, cookies and other site data. No, let's leave the cookies for all times. No, just all times cached images and files. I think this is enough. Yeah, let's scan again and see how this will affect my space. Still, service workers have all this much space. I'm not sure why. Why is Brave service worker taking so much space? Okay, let's see if I can delete it. Because someone is facing the same problem I'm having. Go to Brave, clear browsing data, select basic, check everything. Oh, maybe it's still caching. Oh god. Let's scan again. One more time. I don't understand. Here it says 115. Let's see. In my. Still nothing changed. Nothing changed. I'm not sure. What should I do? Clear browsing data. Check everything but cached images and files. Good tea. Good tea. Good tea. Clear data. Cookies and other site data. You know what? I think I'll just signs you out of most sites. Let's ask GPT, which doesn't help me much. Why is Brave? Can I copy the path of this thing? Yes, I can. Items. It's taking 7 gigabytes. Copy path. Why is this folder taking so much space, and how remove it? The folder stores cached data and using service workers. Why does it take more minutes? It's safe to delete the folder. Only other sites may take a bit longer to load next time. Well, I did this. I did clear this in the space of the folder. You know, this is the thing where I get distracted from whatever I'm doing, but it's necessary to install this useless thing. Should I just? I'm not sure if I just should remove this thing, and it will just work like a text editor. I don't know why I just didn't use Visual Studio Code or New Vim or anything. You know what? Just delete it. Just delete it. We should now have some space. Why didn't it work? Oh god. What happened? Where did it go? What happened? App data is now taking 16 gigabytes. Why is it still taking place? Taking storage. Did it like go into the trash bin and still taking place? Wait, let me take a look at the trash bin. Recycle bin. It's right here. We have even more stuff taking place. Oh my god, why do I have all these stuff in my recycle bin? Let's empty them. Just go. Go, I don't need any of you. I'm actually excited to see what this thing is. It's from what? YouTube DL. It's a YouTube video. Pooh, interesting. I don't even care. No, don't fucking restore. No, please don't. Oh my god. What did I do? I restored them instead of... Oh god. I'm so dumb. Can I like do Control Z and to get them back? I can't do anything. I want them deleted. I have 10 gigabytes free now. What else? What do we need? Driver. No. What can I empty now? So let's take a look. We have 10 gigabytes, so let's install this thing. We need 10 gigabytes 0.57. Oh no, we need a little more stuff deleted. I have 10 gigabytes in downloads. What's taking stuff? 33 files. I have Debian Live and Void Live. I don't need Void. Goodbye Void. Shift delete. Please be permanently deleted. And I have Notebook Windows 10. What is Notebook? International DH Windows 10 Windows 11. Not sure what this thing is. Wait, let me take a look at this thing. 11 space now. Install without while downloading. Okay, install. Size. This thing sucks. It's not correct. I have multiple GDK installers. I don't need any of these. Epic installer, no thanks. MSI. I don't need any of these. I might need... No. These are all installers. I don't need any of these. I might need run as date. I have two Debian installers. I don't need this one. I have the Cinnamon one for debugging if I had an issue. Thinking. I'm not sure what thinking is, but I think it's just some random picture. Thinking. No thanks. I don't need any of these. This is a course which is empty, so let's download it. GDK 11, Industry 14. Leave this. Mistborn. GDK Mistborn. Another GDK I don't need either. We've got more space. This is NVIDIA installer, which I've already installed, so we've got some more space. Let's take a look at my installed programs. Sort by size. Good, minty, healthy, no sugar. Oh god. I have GTA V. I sometimes play that. Titan. What? It's 114 gigabytes. Why? Titanfall. All these things are not in the C drive. I don't have Outlast. I don't need it. Future Cup. This is not one. This is like I installed this game. I remember, and it was 95 Windows 98 emulator, and it sucked. It was so slow. Goodbye, you. Spotify. I don't need Spotify. I might need it, but if I did, I would just use the web one. I will keep it. I don't care. You want to... I don't need Epic Store. Movavi video converter. Why would I need Movavi video converter? I can convert anything with um, I can convert anything with FFmpeg. Why do I have this uninstalled? No, don't offer me anything. Just go to hell. I don't know why are you here even. Uninstall. No, don't open. I don't need you to thank me for anything. I do want. Just install. Just uninstall. What's wrong with you? I hate when things just don't want to be uninstalled. And this is it for today. Sadly, I got distracted with a lot of stuff. I couldn't get C-Line to work, but tomorrow will be the day that we start making our damn Hello World application with Juice. But we learned that the community now is using CMake instead of Producer, so I would be working on that, and we learned what DSP is, Digital Signing Processor, and it wasn't much, but this is what I can do in 1 hour. Tough world, isn't it? This is a proof that you can't learn anything. You can't get a software done in a week. Or this was my idea to make like some some audio software in a week, which is very hard, especially that I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm learning very new stuff to me. So this is it for today. I will continue tomorrow. I will learn stuff in the night today and in the morning tomorrow, and I will come back at you tomorrow at the same time and see what have we got. Or actually tomorrow I'm not working on this project because I have something else. So maybe the next day, the day after tomorrow, will be our day. So yeah, see you probably very soon.